Okay, this is part 3 of the master budget problem, and in this part we are asked to prepare the direct labor budget by month for the first quarter. So to do that, we look at how many units we produce and how long it's going to take to produce each one, then multiply it by the cost per hour. So we are told in the given information up here it takes 6 minutes per unit, or per bar in this case. So we take our number of units up from that we just did in part 2. So we enter in the number of units, and that would be 20,200 for January, 22,100 for February, and 23,200 for March. So the number of, what you're going to do now is calculate how many minutes. So it will be equal to our 20,200 times 6 minutes. 121,200 minutes. We'll do the same for February. So that's equal to the 22,100 times 6 minutes. And we do the same thing for February, or for March rather, times 6. So we have now calculated the number of minutes that we're using in total. And now, of course, we want to get this expressed as an hourly rate because we're given our labor cost as being $15 per hour. So we need to divide by 60 to come up with the number of hours. So it's going to be equal to, and that will be divided by 60. And your 132, and that will be 132,600 divided by 60, give you 2210. And finally, our March number of minutes divided by 60, which would be equal to 2320. So now we know the number of hours. It's now simply a matter of multiplying the hours by $15 per hour to get the total labor cost. So this will be equal to the number of hours times $15, and for February it's going to be equal to 2210 times $15 per hour, and finally for March it's going to be equal to your 2320 times your $15. So you see your labor cost for each month, and the total labor for the quarter is $98,250. So that concludes part 3 of the master budget.